Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Today I'm going to share with you a chicken curry with combination of farfalle. So it's going to be chicken farfalle curry and it's going to be very tasty and very delicious. I have a 4-pound chicken drumstick. I removed the skin and I washed with the cold water. We're going to marinate the chicken. All the spices will be 1 teaspoon each: red chili powder, curry powder, turmeric powder, salt, cumin powder and coriander powder. For our tadka, 1/4 cup olive oil, 1 cup diced tomato, 1 teaspoon cumin seed, 9 garlic cloves, 1 green serrano chili, 1 tablespoon ginger, 1 red onion. I'm going to make a smooth paste in food processor. We're going to use a 1 pound farfalle. We're going to boil separately and then I'm going to use 1 teaspoon salt along with it. Garam masala, dry cilantro, kasuri methi, fenugreek leaves, 1 teaspoon each. I cut ginger, green chili into small pieces and we're going to put it into food processor. And the onion I cut into small pieces. We're going to make a nice smooth paste. It's all done. It doesn't take that long. I'm going to get a cutting board and I'm going to make 1 and 2 cut on drumstick. I'll do it on each one of them. All the masala going to get blended in and will taste better. And now I'm going to bring all the spices. We're going to mix it well. Now I'm going to let it sit on countertop for half an hour. Get a karahi and I'm going to start gas and we're going to keep gas on high and I'm going to bring olive oil. I'll bring cumin seed, jeera, mix it, onion, ginger, garlic and green chili. Mix it well. We're going to cook our tadka really well. Cooking our tadka for 5 minutes. Now I'm going to bring diced tomatoes. Mix it well. I'll bring gas to medium. We're going to cover with the lid and we're going to cook it for 3 minutes. Cooking for 3 minutes. I'm going to open the lid. Mix it. Our tomatoes are tender, so we can mash it. I will bring the gas on high. Now I'm going to bring the marinated chicken. Mix it well. And on high gas, we're going to cook it for 10 minutes. So keep moving so it won't get burned at the bottom. Cooking our chicken on high gas for 10 minutes. Now I'm going to bring 2 cups water. And this is hot water. Mix it well. Bring the gas to medium and we're going to cook it for 15 minutes. After 5 minutes, I'm going to open it. I'm going to stir it. Cooking our chicken for last 15 minutes. I'm going to mix it. We added 2 cups water. I'm going to add 1 more cup water. It's a hot water. So altogether 3 cups water. I'm going to bring garam masala, dry cilantro, kasuri methi. Mix it well. I'm going to cover with the lid again and we're going to cook it for. We're going to bring a pot with the hot water and we're going to bring the water to boil. Our water has started to boil. I'm going to open it, bring salt, and we're going to bring farfalle. As the instructions says 11 to 12 minutes, but we're going to do it only 10 minutes. So mix it to let it boil 10 minutes. It's exactly 10 minutes. Our farfalle is hot, bubbly, boiling, and it's all ready. So I'm going to turn off the gas. On the other side, we have our chicken cooking on a medium gas for 10 minutes. The time farfalle is ready, our chicken is also ready. I'm going to mix it. Looking perfect. Our farfalle is ready. I'm going to take it out. I'm going to shake it. If there is any water, it's going to drop. And I'll put it into our chicken curry. We're going to mix it well. If you feel like eating Italian food and then Indian food, this is the best combination. This will be a perfect gravy. 3 cup water is perfect. So once it's nicely combined with our chicken curry, I'm going to bring my gas to number 2, cover with the lid, and we're going to cook it for 10 minutes. Cooking for additional 10 minutes on number 2, I'm going to turn off the gas. I'm going to remove the lid. Our chicken drumstick with farfalle is all ready. I'm going to get my serving platter and I'm going to dish out. It looks so good. Chicken farfalle is all ready. Please try it. Let me know in comment below how you like this recipe, and if you like it, like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye bye.